Ever dreamed of creating a digital children's book that sparks imagination and wonder? It all begins with a brilliant idea. Brainstorm your story, characters, and the magical world you want to build. Next, bring your story to life with captivating illustrations, whether digital or traditional. Aim for visuals that pop and engage young eyes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different art styles and digital tools to find your unique voice. Even simple drawings can become extraordinary with a touch of color and detail. Now for the magic touch animation. Subtle movements like blinking eyes or wagging tails can add immense charm. Think about interactive elements that encourage discovery, like tap to reveal surprises or playful animations. Consider adding heartwarming narration or playful sound effects to immerse children even further. Once your masterpiece is complete, choose the right platform to share it with the world. Think about accessibility and reach. Finally, test your book to ensure it's a joy to navigate on any device. With these steps, you're ready to create enchanting digital children's books that will delight young readers everywhere. #digitalbooks #hits publishing.